Hi guys, it's Jen here and welcome to Jen's Wild About Art. So today I'm going to draw a little fur seal pup. This is little Bella. I went and saw her at our zoo here in Melbourne. She's a little rescue. She was found injured and Melbourne Zoo's rehabilitating her and taking care of her, and she is the most adorable little animal. I was very lucky this one particular day. I went and they were teaching her how to be checked over and how to have her little physical tests and make sure that she's recovering well and everything's going as planned. So I got to sit outside the glass enclosure, but I got to watch them handle her and train her and teach her how to go and have a little flipper x-rayed, and it was just so adorable. Oh my goodness, I was just in love and mesmerized, and I sat there I bought my little seat along because I was there to draw and paint. So I'd taken my little seat and I had my little paint supply, so I just sat there and sketched her while they handled her and did everything they had to do, and it was just so wonderful. So I thought today I'd do a little portrait with my Shinhan touch liners. So I'm literally using my grayscale set today. So it goes from 0.5 to the darkest black, which is 120. So there's 12 in the grayscale. So I'm just using them literally one at a time, starting with 0.005 and then going to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and building up the layers on her fur. So as you can see, I've done a base in the lightest grey, like a warm grey, and then I'm building up slowly. So I'm just going around her back now. I'm popping in a little bit of fur texture and taking that down her back because they're fur seal pups. I think she's a fur seal. I'm pretty sure she's a fur seal. I'm not 100% sure, but so she's got, when they're out of the water, she's got a furry little body. So when they're under the water, they look sleek and shiny. But yeah, when they come out and they dry off a little bit, they fluff up. So I'm doing her a little bit fluffed up. So I'm just drawing in now, every layer, adding a tone, going deeper a tone. I'm popping now her eyes in. And I've literally done about 3 different greys, ending up with the black and trying to leave a little white highlight for the reflection on her eyes. So now I'm just building up the layers around her face to give it some depth. Take it down her shoulders, onto her belly. And now I'll just darken up her little ears and around her eyes again. Slowly adding deeper colours. So I think this is a 0.4 or 5. So in the warm grey tone. So yeah, I'm really enjoying using the Shinhan markers. I know they're not fade proof or anything like that, but I'll be doing prints of these. So I'm just in the process now of working out how to make prints of my artwork so I can start up a little online shop, which will be a bit of fun because I've never done anything like that before. But I'm really loving these markers. They're just lots of fun to use. They're really easy to use. I find them really simple. I love that they've got each different step up in tone, in colour. It just makes them so easy to use. So I'm just now adding some greys, darker greys in the shadow areas and deepening that right up. And I just keep going over areas again, and it gives just a layered effect for the shadows and things. And her fur's coming together quite nicely now. So I'm just taking that down around her chest. Now I'm popping the ground in. And I'm literally just doing it a couple of tones. So I'm going in with a mid, so probably about a 5 or a 6 in the greys, a number 5 or 6, and then adding an 8 over the top just to create the deeper shadow. And then I'm going in with the black and popping the whiskers on with my little fine liner. And then just going back through with my Posca pen and just touching up the odd highlight where she's got a little bit of damp on her and she's reflecting. Pop my signature on and we're done. I hope you enjoyed this picture. I had an absolute ball drawing this gorgeous little seal. She's just a gorgeous little creature. I'd love it if you click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for my next video. Have an awesome day and I'll catch you then. Okie doke. Bye.